Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check app usage time on Android. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on digital well-being. So just scroll down and click on digital well-being and parental controls. Then hang on for this to open. Now go ahead to most used app categories and then click on it. Scroll through to see how many times you've opened the application, social media. Then here, to see the time you use a particular application, click on the application. Then you should see the time like this. You see that? And then the number of times you've opened the application. You can change to weekly view or daily view. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to check app usage time on Android. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.